Hello friends, day 8 done and dusted. I came down this morning into Launceston and stocked up with food and then set off on the Two Castles Trail, which is a 24-mile trail linking the medieval castles of Launceston and Oakhampton. I should get to Oakhampton fairly early tomorrow, but it was a bit too far to do in one day. Very icy start this morning, ice inside and outside the tent, as you'll see in a minute, but fairly quickly warmed up, I'm pleased to say, and I wasn't too cold last night as I'd put 4 layers on before getting into my sleeping bag. I'm learning. Once again, I've managed to find a rather nice pitch with a splendid view